Welcome to the vlog. I am Mrs. Manimegle, Assistant Professor of DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about Introduction to Programming the IoT. While continuing the data link layer, the next one is network layer. So what is network layer? Responsible for sending IP datagrams from source network to destination network. That means perform the host addressing and packet routing. What is datagram? It contains source and destination address. So in network layer, just it contains source and destination address. So what are the protocols followed in the network layer? So there is three types of protocols followed in network layer. So the first one is IPv4. So Internet Protocol version 4 is used to identify the devices on a network using a hierarchical addressing scheme. 32-bit address allow total of 2:32 addresses. IPv4 is an Internet Protocol version 4. So the next one is IPv6. Internet Protocol version 6 uses 128-bit address scheme and allows 2 into 128 addresses. So 2 is to 128 addresses are followed in IPv6s. So the network layer is just contains source and destination address itself. It performs the host addressing and packet routing. The next one is 6LoWPAN. So IPv6 over low power wireless personal area networks operates in 2.4 GHz frequency range and data transfer per second 250 kb. So IPv4 and IPv6 and 6LoWPAN. So low PAN. IPv6 over low power wireless personal area network which is operates 2.4 GHz frequency range and data transfer is per second. It follows 250 kilobytes. The next one is transport layer. The physical design follows three types of layer in physical design. First one is data link layer. Already we are discussed about that data link layer. Next, transport layer. So previously we seen about the network layer. So data link layer, network layer and transport layer. Three layers are followed in physical designs of IoT. So transport layer. Transport layer, what it does means it provides end-to-end message transfer capabilities independent of the underlying networks. Set up on connections with act as in TCP and without act as in UDP. Provides functions such as error control, segmentation, flow control and congestional controls. While transferring at the data link layer, just packetizing source to destination, communicating the source to destination. So the data are packeted and sent from source to destinations in data link layer. After that network layer, so that network layer provides and it contains only the source and destination address. So source and destination address of the network. After that transport layer, what it will do, transfer this end-to-end messages from one network to the other network followed by the TCP and UDP, which is an internet connection followed by the TCP. Without internet connection is followed UDP. So what it will use in data link layer, what work will be overhead in this function such as error control, controlling the error while transforming the data from one place to the another destination. So segmentation is to check the segmentations is properly segmentized the data from one place to the another place, and then flow control, so control the flow of the data packets and congestion controls. So what are the Protocols in transport layer is the two TCP and UDP. So TCP, the full form is Transport Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol used by web browsers. So TCP is fully belongs to the Internet. So transmission control protocol used by web browsers along with HTTP and HTTPS. So HTTP is nothing but hypertext transfer protocol and HTTPS is hypertext transfer protocols security. Then emails along with SMTP, FTP. Simple mail transfer protocol and file transfer protocol. Next, connection oriented and stateless protocols. IP protocols deals with sending packets. TCP ensures reliable transmissions of protocol in order, avoids network congestions and congestion collapse. So the transport layer is fully focused on avoid the congestions and congestion collapse and through transferring one place to the other place of the data. Next one is UDP. So UDP is user datagram protocol is connectionless protocol. Without internet we can transfer the data from source to destination while checking the error control and flow control and segmentizing the data packets and congestion controls are followed in UDP. It is fully connectionless protocol. Useful in time sensitive applications. UDP is useful in time sensitive applications. Very small data units to exchange. So UDP is used to send a small quantity of data from one place to the other. Transaction oriented and stateless protocols does not provide guaranteed delivery, but it does. The one of the drawback in transport layer is does not provide guaranteed. And then application layer. So in the application layer followed by for several protocols HTTP, MQTT, TDS, AMQP and MQTT. So HTTP you are all know www.com's the stateless protocols. Likewise the XMPP extensible message and presence protocol. DDS already know data distribution services. And then WebSockets allows full duplex communications over a single sockets connections. Then logical designs of IoT. There are three types of IoT logical designs. IoT functional block, communicational model and communicational APIs. Applications in IoT, the management and the security. Before that application and the device, there is one of the block management services, communication and security. IoT communication models, request response process, a push and pull method, publish and subscribe method. Thank you.